Hi, thank you for clicking on this 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX. I'm Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Behind me, we have this beautiful boat in our showroom. It's in the Horizon hull color, powered with a black Mercury 115 Pro XS. We'll hop on board here in a minute and I'll show you a close-up look. Starting here in the bow of this 190 SPX, of course I had to just sit down in the comfortable bow seating. You have lounger seats, you have round table seating, really spacious and comfortable. It seems larger than a 19-foot boat when I'm sitting up here. You have grab handles with easy access. We have the Fusion audio system packaged with this boat. And on this particular model, we have the light gray upholstery, which accents the white interior gel coat. Excellent. Will hide the dirt, be easy to clean and maintain, and it just pops really, really clean. Moving to the cockpit of the 190, you notice the classic Sea Ray side console with windshield that will fold in, get you out of the elements. A couple storage options here, port side of the helm, you got a massive storage here, and then a small glove compartment storage for quick grab items, along with a cup holder. Sea Ray's done a really unique thing with designing the port side seating to be used and very functional for both at rest when it's time to entertain and then when you're running on plane. So you can remove this first seat here, tuck it under the second seat, giving the passenger sitting here while the boat's underway enough room to put their feet down, face forward. We come to the helm seat on the 190. And the captain's chair swivels. It adjusts fore and aft depending on your needs for different height drivers, different size drivers. You have a tilt helm. Facing in front of this on this model, we've packaged it with a 5-inch Simrad and as well as Sea Ray tachometer and gauges. Fusion audio head unit, convenient access to your lights and pumps. And then you also have a power plant for a phone charger, cup holder, and a side mount binnacle to make it really comfortable when you're at the helm of the 190. This 190 SPX has got a black bimini that you see here displayed in the stowed position. So during running or trailering, this is how the bimini looks stowed. You can see you have great visibility. But it's still really convenient access to fully deploy it and get you and your passengers a lot of shade. Well, if we pan to the right, you'll see what the boat looks like with the bimini fully deployed, and it is covering the entire cockpit. Seating on the 190 is plentiful, and we're here in the aft cockpit of the boat. You have a couple more bench seats here with cup holders, built-in cooler storage under this seat. You have dry storage under this seat, and then an aft lounger that gives way to the water sports tow bar. And this aft lounger hides a monster storage compartment. So we're talking about towable tubes, all kinds of bags, you name it. Very bulky items are still able to be stowed in a 19-foot boat. That's really impressive when you're trying to do a little bit of everything on the water for the day. The swim platform and boarding area on this 190 is massive. It's almost like you don't even realize that there's an outboard here. You have a convenient 4-step foldable boarding ladder on the port side and a clean spot to jump in on the starboard side. The 190 is powered by this Merc 115 Pro XS. 115 is going to power this boat exceptionally well. You're going to see speeds into the low to mid 40s. Nice quick hole shot for pulling up a skier, and very quiet and fuel efficient. Feel free to contact us here at MarineMax Clearwater. Again, I'm Matt Norman with MarineMax. Thank you so much for watching this walkthrough, and we'll see you on the water.